What up? All my Haitians stand up. You know what time it is. January 1st, Haitian Independence Day, New Year. So we're going to celebrate with some soupe Joumou. We're going to use some calabaza squash, which is the best squash to make your soupe Joumou. We're going to boil it with some bouquet garni, thyme, scallions, parsley, some cloves, and some salt. And then we're going to let it cook. Then we're gonna wash our meat. Yes, we wash our meats with hot water, sour orange, and lime juice. Then we're gonna season it nicely with some salt and Haitian épices, baby. Roast it until it is really nicely brown. Then we're gonna let it cook off midway. Then let's roast our vegetables and root vegetables, cabbage, potatoes, carrots, and turnips. Add a little bit of épices to it too and some salt. Then let's blend our pumpkin. Strain that bad boy and to the pot that you had the vegetables, and we're gonna let simmer with a little bouquet garni again with hot peppers with some cloves on it and also augmented vegetables. Then you add your pasta and your meat at the end and you let it cook. Enjoyable for me, and happy Independence Day again to all my Haitians out there.